Hi, welcome to Ringo-Media. Just a quick one today to clear up a misconception usually of the Firestick that you need to jailbreak it. Jailbreak is a term used for accessing menus that aren't usually there. Now with the Firestick you can use a couple of apps that are available in the App Store on Firestick to then download other apps. So that means you're not restricted just to the apps that Amazon tell you, and provide. So the two apps I recommend, and I have installed on all of my Firesticks, is one called Downloader and one called Firesend. Both of them allow you to download different apps from different sites, and easy to get to. Go to the Amazon store, click on search, and then type in their name. So Downloader, we start DO, and straight away it's at the top of the list there. Come down, select that, make sure you select the right one. As you can see, there's two. Downloader with the big D with the arrow pointing down is the one you need. Click and install that. On my one it's already installed, so it won't do it. And then in the top here, again clicking on your up arrow, up of the circle of the remote, you can type in that section about the website address you want to go to, or even a short code. Short code is usually a couple of numbers, as in the example there. Then click go or press select on your remote. That will take you to the store that you want to get to, or the app you want to get to. We'll go into more of them at a later date. And again with Firesend it's the same principle. Download it, type in Firesend into the App Store. Again we'll start typing it in by selecting the name Fire, and straight away put in FI and it comes up second one in the list at the moment. Obviously it's just after Christmas, so I think people have been looking for fireplace videos over the holiday season. We'll select Firesend, and again on mine it's already loaded, so select that one, the big purple with the what looks like a paper airplane and a fire flame. That's the one you want. Install that. That will load up, and from there again you come over to the right here. You've got enter room codes. You can also come down to web browser, which is a new development on this app. I'll touch a lot more in this in another video. There is a previous one about Firesend from the great Doc Squiffy. Check that one out on my YouTube channel. That's how you get different apps onto your Firestick. It's not jailbreaking. Its official or unofficial name as such is classed as sideloading. So you're not loading from the main app, you're sideloading it from different apps. Firesend and Downloader are must for every Firestick to keep you going. You can download maintenance apps, things like that as well. Hope that's clarified that for you. Any questions, drop me a line, Messenger, WhatsApp, on YouTube. Just ask questions you have about any of this or other questions on your Firestick. Please give us a like and thumbs up, and also if you can subscribe, all the much better. Help me grow the channel, and go from there. If you are after a VPN, which I suggest you should have on your Firestick, again there will be a link below for IP Vanish, which I do get a small commission on, but it is the best once you're signed up to it for a year or 2 year subscription. From there you can load it onto any mobile device, your PCs, your phones, all of that, all for the one cost. There's no limit to the amount of times you can install that. So all your devices in your house, smart TVs, things like that as well. Have a good day, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.